Hello everyone, this is a new year and now a new subscription box. This is the Inked Goddess Creation subscription box. This is the January one. We're starting off the entire year going from January on. I don't know what the themes are, but I know that they haven't revealed the February theme yet because the website says coming soon. I didn't look in to see what the January theme is, so I'm hoping the box will tell us once we dig into it. It's a gorgeous box. I love their logo. It's very pretty. They put the website on the side of the box here. They decorate it. It's got all kinds of different symbols and things. Very witchy. I love it. I love it when boxes aren't subtle. I know a lot of you might be witches in the broom closet, but for me personally, I love it when they go all out. It would be nice if they covered the box to where you would open up a package and then on the inside it'd be very witchy for those who are in the broom closet and don't want to show all that to their family or whoever else might see their mail. So this box is super cute. It just flips up like that. I'm loving that we're getting some sunshine through the window, but if it doesn't cast too big of a shadow, I'll leave it open. Okay, so the back side of this card, I flipped it over a second ago just to check, tells us what is all in this box. So I'm not going to read through it. I want it to be a surprise. And this tells us our theme. So it's the Witches Survival Kit is our January 2024 box theme. And it says, as a new year begins, many witches search for ways to make their life a little more magical. Whether casting spells on the go or stocking your witchy cabinet for when you need it most. January's Witches Survival Kit themed Ink Goddess Creations box contains magical items to help you energetically face whatever the year holds. Okay, so Witches Survival Kit is our theme, and I'm not flipping that over. I'm going to set that off to the side. So it looks like they stuff it with lots of paper. Oh, that's neat. It looks like it's a whole kit. Interesting. So here's a thank you for your purchase card. Ooh, and here's just some information about magical salts. I love that. Everything white salt, black salt, red salt, pink Himalayan, Celtic salt, sea salt. Nice. It gives you the basic properties of each one. And it says, for centuries, salt has been used in witchcraft. Today, witches have access to a variety of salts. Each type of salt carries a different magical property and can be used for a wide range of spells and rituals. And I like that ombre pink to blue effect. That's cute. Set that aside. I'm going to move this box out of the way. And let's check this out. So it's a pretty good case. I'm a gamer and I play my Nintendo Switch a lot and it reminds me of my Switch case. Ooh, it's heavy. Oh, wow. There's a lot of stuff in there. We'll start with the bottom and then we'll do the top next. I'm going to turn it sideways. And let's see. We'll start with this one on the top. It's cold. Definitely metal. So it looks like it might be a lighter. We got our symbol for fire on there. So I'm thinking this is a lighter. And it looks like it charges with USB. That's awesome. Oh, wow. Oh, that's neat. Okay, I'm going to try to zoom in, see if you can see that. So it opens with this switch here. And you can see the flame. It's blue. That's awesome. That is so cool. I'm going to put that right there if it doesn't roll off the table. And we got a little candle, a little tea light, white candle. Never go wrong with white candles. Ooh, it smells. Ooh, it's very vanilla. Got a very vanilla smell. We got some chapstick. Witchy Survival Lip Moisturizer. Oh, it's coffee flavored. I like me some coffee. I'm going to set that right there. It says, any which way. Distilled water, dragon's blood EO, sandalwood EO, orange EO, and cinnamon EO. I'm assuming EO probably means essential oil. It says discontinue use if skin irritation occurs. Good point. I love their black packaging. It's very themed. I'm just going to cut this open. Got a little sticker on there. Little pentacle sticker. It's very dark, which means it'll keep longer if it's got herbs and stuff in it. Oh, it's a spritzer! Nice! Ooh, I can smell the sandalwood. Oh, wow. That smells good. Hard to describe that. What would I say? It's very seasonal. It sounds, that's such a winter smell. Probably heavy in the cinnamon. It's such a winter smell. I can smell the cinnamon. It's not harsh though. The sandalwood is a good accent to it. It smells really good. That's all that we have in that pouch. Let's see what's in the top. It's a good size for like a travel altar. It's not like one of those little tiny tins. I have one that's a tiny tin, but when I went on my Branson trip, it was too small to take with me because I had more stuff that wouldn't fit in. Like my chime candles wouldn't fit in it, so I wound up getting a pencil case. And it's a zip-up pencil case. Actually, I'll show it. Yeah, so I just went to the dollar store and bought a little pencil case. And it's a really good size. It fits chime candles perfectly. And I just kind of stuff everything in there. But I'm not going through my travel altar, not today. If you're interested, I can always do a video just on travel altars. Because I love packing them, making sure that I have everything I need, no matter where I go, even if I don't use it. Now let's see what's in here. Speaking of metal tin, this is cute. Which way do you open? Oh, it's a slide. Ah, it's a slide. Oh, okay. I didn't even open it all the way and I'm already in love. The designs are so cute and we got our salts. When I open it, it caught onto the lid of each vial. Maybe I can pull them out. There we go. We got our Himalayan pink salt, black salt, and sea salt. Other labels. I just love how crystally sea salt is. It's so pretty. I tend to use a lot more pink salt and black salt in my practice. I don't use a lot of sea salt. I love sea salt, don't get me wrong. It's just there's a lot of microplastics in it because our poor oceans, so I don't use it a whole heck of a lot. But pink salt, Himalayan pink salt is fantastic. Let's see what's in this little canvas baggie. I love how their logo is on it. Is this a crystal? Oh, okay. Try to guess what that is. This is a red tiger's eye. I love red and blue tiger's eyes. And it's so finely cut. Like it's perfect for like a little worry stone, a little palm stone. I had several. I had 2 red tiger's eyes growing up that I always had with me. And anytime I went anywhere with family, I always had it in my pocket to give me some extra courage when I was nervous. So red tiger's eye means a lot to me. So I love that. Oh, and the way it looks in the sun. Cute. Well, looks like here's the USB charger for the lighter. Oh, neat. I've got really small wrists, so that's gonna be super big on me. But that's okay. That is cool. And I love how masculine themed this box kind of was. It's paracord, I believe is what that's called. And if I'm ever wrong about naming something or if I'm not sure what something's called, feel free to either correct me or let me know in the comments. This is cute. Yeah, that was our box. That was lovely. I'm going to move everything slightly. Let's center everything and then I'm going to go through and make sure we have everything that the box was supposed to have. All right, and there we go. Everything all set up, and let's check and make sure we have it all. So first up is the Triple Moon Pentacle Survival Kit Bag. I assume that's this. It says it was created specifically for this month's box, which I freaking love that. This zipper pouch mimics a first aid kit and contains your witchy survival items. Sturdy design with original pockets within. And yes, with all of those pockets, there's plenty of space and plenty of room for everything. And it's got multiple compartments. It opens up. And then it's got the zipper pouch, so I don't have to worry about anything falling out when I open it. Any loose items I can just stick in there. And that is very durable too. And the logo on there, it does not feel like it's going to rub off. It feels pretty cemented into it. That's awesome. My tins that I had, the sticker label on it kept peeling off on me. So I like how that one's kind of cemented into it. It says, this bag can be used as an on-the-go witch kit, makeup bag, or anything else. The Pentacle Triple Moon provides protective energy as well as reminds you of the moon's message to go with the flow. Lovely. Next is the Witchy Tin Set. That'd be this one, which came with these salts here. And here's the salt properties. It says, slide this custom tin open to reveal a cleansing salt set in red tiger's eye. Right, the tiger's eye came in with it. And it calls it a thumbstone. Okay, I never knew the name of when they're small and cut like that. I have a fluorite just like it. It says, different salts have different magical properties, and those are here if you want to read through them again. So this set covers you for most cleansing efforts. Red Tiger's Eye is known as the survival stone because of its ability to ground and connect with earth energy and reveal what is necessary for survival. And I love how they included that. It is a very good survival stone. Like I said, I had several growing up, and it felt like it was a necessity to have in my pocket to give me a little extra grounding, help with that courage. Next up is the Fire Element Electric Arc Lighter. I freaking love that lighter. I like how it has the witchy symbol for fire, and it's just a one-click kind of thing, and it looks like a taser the way it lights up. I've never had a lighter like that. I've had ones where you press the button and the flame stays lit, and it's almost like a mini blowtorch. I love those too. This one's very unique. I've never had anything like this one. It says, complete with the elemental symbol for fire with our twist etched into it. And yeah, because the little flame coming out the top, it is very custom. It says, this electric arc lighter requires no fluid and can be used to light your candles because it charges with that cord. That's awesome. You can also light your herbal blends, etc. Next up is the Pentacle Paracord bracelet. So that is paracord. That's what I thought. I have a military family member, and they know paracord very well. So it was a word that I learned growing up, and I assume that's what that was. Some kind of tactical rope that's not going to break easy. Says, no survival kit is complete without paracord. With a witchy touch, wearing your Pentacle Paracord bracelet helps add a shield of protective energy over you. That's awesome. Little on-the-go protection charm. The Witchy Survival Lip Moisturizer with a lip balm. It's coffee flavored. Fantastic. You didn't see that? The whole world saw that. Okay. The Witchy Survival Lip Moisturizer. Coffee aids in motivation, protection, and a power boost. So this lip moisturizer provides a witchy energy while nourishing chapped winter lips. Very good for January. Not to mention I also have braces. So that's very nice to keep around. I have a grape one I'm in love with right now, and I misplaced it. So this coffee one's going to be my nice little backup until I find the grape one. But regardless, it sounds delicious. Don't eat those. I have tried. Any Which Way Travel Mist. So our spritzer here, which smells fantastic. I'm wearing it and it smells so good. It's very seasonal. It feels very Yule to me. It says, our road opening blend of dragon's blood, sandalwood, orange, and cinnamon can help you tap into the energetic flow around you. And the moment I sprayed it on my skin, I could kind of feel that. It's like all of a sudden I just felt more connected. It's got those grounding herbs in there as well as the cinnamon to help kind of open up and just experience the energies around me. Fantastic. Not to mention dragon's blood is a very good amplifier for all of that. So it's a very powerful spritzer, and I'm going to have a lot of use with that one. Any Which Way Dirty Witch Tea Light. A tea light version of our Dirty Witch Way Road Opener Jar Candle. Oh, that's why I could smell. I thought it was very vanilla smelling. This blend of dragon's blood, sandalwood, orange, and cinnamon helps you blast through fears and blockages holding you back. So it's like the spritzer, but in candle form, which is funny because I kept smelling vanilla. But yeah, I definitely do smell the Dragon's Blood. It's a lot stronger in the candle. I'm not really getting too much of a hint of orange, but it's probably that warmy smell I'm kind of picking up on. But they do smell very similar. I'm very weird, and I always thought that vanilla and cinnamon kind of had a similar smell. And that might just be me. Magical Salts Eclectic Witch card. So that's our informational card right there. It says an informational card about the different types of salt and their magical properties. This box was the shit. Fantastic. I loved everything in it. It has such a masculine feel, very grounding and protective feel in it too. Oh, I'm going to get lots of use out of all these items. Not a single thing here is going to go to waste. I might see if my boyfriend might want this bracelet, only because my wrists are so tiny. It's going to slip right off me. But fantastic. Loved every minute of it. So this was just the first month. I bought 6 months in advance, so I already took a sneak peek at past boxes and saw that I was going to be excited for this one. And we got it all set up for 6 months. So I hope you all enjoy those 6 boxes along with me. And we're going to renew it at the 6-month mark and get the rest of the year as well, as long as everything goes well. So come join me for our next unboxing of Inked Goddess Creations subscription box. And as always, may your future be bright and guided by the stars. Blessed be.